Hello students, today we will discuss the formation of covalent bonding on the basis of valence bond theory. Its short form is VBT. Okay students, in 1927, two famous scientists Heger and London introduced the valence bond theory of covalent bonding. According to valence bond theory, the electron cloud of the valence orbital of one atom overlaps with the electron cloud of the other atom to form a covalent bond. Okay, according to valence bond theory, a covalent bond is formed by the overlapping of the electron cloud of the valence orbital of one atom with the electron cloud of the valence orbital of other atom. Okay, let us study the main postulates of valence bond theory. First postulate: a covalent bond is formed by the overlapping of half-filled atomic orbital present in the valence shell of atoms. Okay, a covalent bond is formed by the overlapping of half-filled atomic orbitals present in the valence shell of atoms. Okay, example. Yes, the formation of a hydrogen molecule. Already we know hydrogen molecule is formed by the combination of two hydrogen atoms. H plus H gives H2. Yes. We know the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. That means what? Hydrogen atom has half-filled 1s orbital. The shape of s orbital is, we know, spherically symmetrical, or we can say the shape of s orbital is spherical. Okay, in s orbital, electron clouds are oriented in spherical shape. Then, okay, the half-filled 1s orbital of, or s orbital of one hydrogen atom overlaps with half-filled s orbital of other hydrogen atom, like this. Two electron clouds, okay, get overlapped. The half-filled s orbital of one hydrogen atom overlaps with the half-filled s orbital of other hydrogen atom. Then here H single bond, hydrogen single bond is formed, yes, due to this overlapping of electron clouds. Okay, that is the first postulate of valence bond theory. Then the second postulate, the orbitals undergoing overlapping must have electrons with the opposite spin. Okay, in the case of hydrogen molecule, the 1s orbital of one hydrogen atom overlaps with the 1s orbital of other hydrogen atom. Okay, the electrons present in these two atomic orbitals must have electrons with the opposite spin. Okay, then here by the overlapping of these two SS atomic orbital, yes, HH single bond is formed. HH single bond is formed. That is the second postulate. And the third postulate, the strength of a bond. The strength of a bond depends on the extent of overlapping. The strength of a bond depends on extent of overlapping. That means what? Greater the overlapping between the atomic orbitals, between the electron clouds, between the atomic orbitals, stronger is the bond formed. Okay, that is the third postulate. The strength of a bond depends on extent of overlapping. Greater the overlapping between the atomic orbitals, stronger is the bond formed. Okay, students, in my next video, we will discuss the types of overlapping. Goodbye, study well.